All right, so I'm back from my trip to Georgia, back to Ohio with my new 500-gallon primitive pit offset smoker. I've got it all washed out and dried yesterday. Well, dried it out overnight. All the racks and everything have been taken out so that I can go ahead and start the seasoning process. So I'm going to do my first burn in and season. I'm going to come wipe it down one more time and start seasoning it up. All right, so the smoker is all seasoned up, or all sprayed with oil. Got the shelves and all the racks back in, sprayed down. It's time to go ahead and light our first fire and season this thing up. All right, we got our wood in there, we got our fire starters lit, and just waiting for it to take off. Fire's burning nice, temperature's rising. We're off to a good season. So I was prepared for some discoloration and stuff like that from the heat, but an hour in to the seasoning, and we got the paints peeling and stuff already. And we are only at 250, 300, 225, 225, 275, and 350 in the top front. It's not even that hot for it to be peeling like that, but it is what it is, I guess. All right, so I let this thing burn down overnight, just seasoned it all day. Got really good color on the inside. This thing's a freaking tank. Everything looks good. Nothing's oily or sticky. Doors are all cleaned up or oiled up. Got snow on everything. Second shelf, everything looks good. Sides out smooth. All the ash, all the wood burnt down, clean in there. A little bit of discoloration, which I should expect. This paint peeling, I did not expect like that. The fire was never really that hot, but she's seasoned up, and even though it's 20 degrees out, we're gonna start getting something ready to cook on her this weekend. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content I put out. Appreciate all of you.